Hey guys, it's Ritika. So for today's video, as you guys can see that I'm all festival ready with my background and with my outfit as well. So this time of the year is my favorite time of the year as it's Diwali and also winter season is coming. So I'm generally super happy around this time of the year. So today I wanted to make this video to show you guys a very special gift that I have with me, and this is the WOWSkinScience Happy Diwali Gift Box. So this box contains WOWSkinScience Ubtan range, and I already have used the Ubtan range and I really loved it, and currently I'm using two products from the Ubtan range on a daily basis. So that's why I wanted to review this WOW's Diwali gift box. So this is how the Diwali gift box looks like. It's a very sturdy and a very good material cardboard box, and on the top it has a very beautiful design, and WOWSkinScience Happy Diwali is written over the top with a very beautiful colorful rangoli over here. When you open this, then you get to see all of the WOW's Ubtan range, and these are all the products that come in the WOW's Ubtan category. This has a foaming face wash, a face scrub, a face pack along with a face pack brush, and it has a WOW's Ubtan serum and a WOW's body wash. The idea behind this range is basically for anti-tanning and to rejuvenate your skin and for radiance boosting. This is what the range says, and also the main ingredients of this range are it has chickpea flour, it has turmeric, saffron, almond extract, rosewater and sandalwood oil. So these are the main ingredients of this range. When you buy this Diwali gift box, you also get a beautiful candle like this, and you can use it as well. So you can buy this range from Amazon, or you can also buy it through the Buy Wow app, and this is how the app looks like, and the MRP that is currently showing on the app is 1399 rupees. Currently you are getting this range for rupees 999 on the Buy Wow app, and if you use the code Diwali20, that you will get extra 20% off as well. You are getting 5 full-size products for rupees 799 only. The first product is this Ubtan foaming face wash, and this range is free from parabens, sulfates, silicone and colors. This is suitable for all skin types and it is dermatologically tested as well. And the best thing about this face wash is that it has a foam attached to it, so you are getting your face wash and you are already getting a foam, so which is so easy to apply and wash your face with, and this really leaves your face looking so bright and radiant, and I really love my face after using this face wash. This is one of the products which I've been using currently since the past 1 month. This is the WOW Ubtan foaming face wash, and I really love using it. It suits my skin. My T-zone is oily. I have combination skin. It suits my skin perfectly, and this is working. This is doing a great job for my skin. So this is all about the first product, and now coming to the second product, which is the WOW's Ubtan face scrub. So the scrub has minute particles, so these are not harsh for your skin. लेकिन मैं पूरे फेस पे स्क्रब नहीं करती हूँ. I just scrub on my T-zone क्योंकि वहाँ पे ही excess oil and excess sebum and dirt होता है. So मैं अपने पूरे फेस पे स्क्रब करना प्रेफर नहीं करती हूँ. पहले I used to do that. So this face scrub does the job. ये वहाँ से सारे blackheads and impurities को remove कर देता है, which is what you expect from a good scrub. So yeah, this is the nice scrub to try out. The next product in this range is this Ubtan face and body pack, and this also has the same ingredients. And this is a very soft clay based pack, and when you apply it, then you feel that it is going to take some time to dry, and it takes for about 20 to 25 minutes, sometimes even more than that, and to get dried, but your face looks super clean and super refreshed after using it. And you also feel that it has a tinge of turmeric into it, but this does not leave any sort of yellowness over your face. You also get a face pack brush along with this pack, so that is something amazing to apply your face pack. And the next product in this range is this beautiful Ubtan serum. So the consistency of this serum is really amazing as it gets absorbed super quickly into your skin. Although it has a yellow color into the serum, but this does not show up on your face. Your face looks plain after applying it, and this just gets absorbed quickly, and it leaves your face moisturized as well. So this is a really amazing serum to try out as it does not leave your skin oily or greasy. You can also scan the QR code right here to know about the authenticity of the products and to know in detail about all of these products, to know about the ingredients and everything. And the last product in this range is this Ubtan body wash, and this is one of the second products that I've been using since the past 1 month, and really loving the body wash. And you can see that I already have finished more than half of it, so only 1/3 is left, and really loving the body wash. This helps to refresh and rejuvenate your body. body. And all of these products have naturally derived ingredients, and these are made in the Himalayas and cruelty free, gluten free and 100% vegan as well. So these two are my most favorite products from this range, and this is a very nice range to gift somebody this Diwali, and you can also buy it for yourself as I said. And yeah, this is all about this WOW's Diwali gift box. All the links are going to be mentioned in the description box below, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, then do give it a big thumbs up, comment on below and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. And next up, a very good Myntra kurti haul is coming up, and this kurti is also a part of that haul, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, this is all about this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.